Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install RAR application on OnePlus Nord 3. So you have to start with opening Google Play Store and now click on search bar and type in RAR and click search. And now select this application and click install. Now you can click open and you have allowed this application to manage your files. Now click back. Here you can allow notifications for this application and now click dismiss and you can use your application. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.